Everyone, today we have to see how to apply for global certification in just 15K. The main purpose of this video to make aware what is the actual fees of a certification. Okay, no need to spend 2 and 3 lakh on the certification. Let's see the procedure of how to apply for global certification. Open Google, search for a SAP certifications. Then you can see SAP website here, training.sap.com. Click on that. If you have not registered before that, you need to register first. Then click on a SAP certification. Then list of a valid certifications. Here you can see the total available list of certification. Here you have to select. Let's search for sourcing and procurement. Here select latest one. After selecting certification, you can see detailed information for the certification like a code of certification, then how many questions are there, or how much percentage required to pass, or total minutes, then in which language is available. Okay, then topic areas. And coming to important point, the cost. For 6th attempt, here you can see for 6th attempt the fees is around 39,000, and for one attempt it is around 15,000. Suppose you have good preparation, good knowledge, good conceptual understanding, then you can go for one attempt also. Okay. Click on add to basket. Then click on proceed to basket. Next process is same like a online shopping. Okay. When you done a payment, then you will receive one mail from SAP. Okay. It will take almost 24 to 48 hours to process and get the activated the subscription. After the subscription, you can schedule your exam as per your available time and as per the available slots. Okay. Same process we have to do for sales certification also. Click on SAP certification. Click on a list of valid certification. Then enter sales here. Select latest one. Okay, this is latest one. Click on that. Here you can see detailed information for a sales certification. Okay. Here we can see the topic areas. There are same two options, one for a 6 attempts and one for a 1 attempt. Okay, click go on a for 1 attempt. Then click on proceed to basket. Next process is same as we seen before. Okay, this is all about SAP Global Certification for MM and SD. If you feel this video is informative, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.